go ahead and smell.
Welcome to Appleton.
All is rum, 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 hey, rum, hey, rum. All is rum, 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 what, rum, rum. Pour some liquor in my glass.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. And yeah, y'all, I'm dressed up today. She's dressed up today. I'm dressed up today, y'all, because I'm taking y'all on a tour with me. I'm at the Appleton estate, and so we're gonna do a RUM tour today. I'm not sure about all the things that we're gonna see in there, but you probably saw some of it in the intro, so I'm gonna keep this short. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, let's go. So we're in the lounge right now. So we came through that door right here, and then they told us to sit down in this lounge, which is so cute. It has a bar, and so now we're waiting for the tour guide to come. It's all AC'd up and it feels pretty nice.
And head on the outside to continue the process. For the cups, if you're finished with them, leave it on the benches. If not, bring it with you, because on the tour we walk and drink, we talk and drink.
So y'all, we're on the tour now. As y'all could see, we're on the grounds. People taking picture under the Appleton sign. We finished the fruit punch and they gave us another cup of drinks. But now we're at this thing. I don't know what this is, but she's about to explain.
Here, usually we would have the donkey, but unfortunately he's not feeling well. He's on sick leave. So I know that you can see him right over there.
Oh.
His name is P-A-Z, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain what would have happened here. It's a 17th century process. It's how we used to extract the juice from the sugar cane. So the donkey, he would make his way around. The mill operator would insert the sugar cane and the juice would get extracted.
And we'll just get a bag of sugar cane for taste. So I'm going to taste sugar cane right now. Okay, there we go. Should I fill my belly before the tour though? I'm eating a breakfast this morning. I'm going to drink alcohol.
Alright, so more than 2,000 types of sugar cane on the island. Yes. So just like how you can crossbreed animals, you can crossbreed sugar cane.
Okay.
Right? So sweet, fresh, salty sugar cane, buttery sugar cane, and the list goes on and on. So they turn the mill, lemon inserts the cane, the juice gets extracted. Notice that you double the cane, that you get more juice content.
You just say used to.
So yeah, you just see how they slaved over the cane to turn the thing. So now we got the juice from it, and I'm gonna taste it and see. It tastes like raw cane. Yeah.
And it is sweet, right? Very sweet.
Very sweet. So now we are move on to molasses. So I'm gonna see what molasses is. I'm always hear about it, but I never really know where it be. But now we're gonna find out. So this is molasses, y'all, and we finna do a taste test. So let's get ready. It's very strong. It's strong body.
So the liquid part is molasses, the grains, that's the sugar. In order to get this, we extract the juice from the cane, boil it until it becomes thick and until sugar crystals start to form. It is rich in iron, vitamin B6 and 12, good for your nerves, a good energizer, and it has calcium. And the gentlemen, they call it liquid Viagra.
Oh. We're about to go into the distillery, so let's go. Damn, like, subscribe.
No photos, no videos.
Okay.
Of 50 into 9 barrels. So the 9 barrels had 50-year-old rum inside, and we poured more 50 on top. So by 2062, everything will be 100. Right? Now each barrel represents a prime minister. So current prime minister for the country, Andrew Holness, his barrel is right here, and the list goes on and on. We have 9. Yes, but by 2062, we estimate that we'll have 1. Right? And that's because of the evaporation. From 1 barrel, if it is filled to the top, you can get 200 bottles of rum. So limited edition. Right?
Well, apparently this is how much rum they put in a barrel, like, and then as it ages, so after 3 years it goes down to that, 6 years, 10 years it goes down, 20 years it goes down, and then 30 years that's all that's left in the barrel when it gets brown. So we're gonna walk through, what you call this? The distillery? We're about to walk through this path right here, literally on both sides. It's just barrels on barrels on the barrels, and it's like super long and super dark. I think it's what, 800 barrels? Not 800, 8,000 barrels in here. Is the rum tasting. So I guess we're going to be tasting 3 different types of rum, and yeah, we're going to see what happens.
So go ahead and smell. Alright, go ahead and start. Go ahead.
So yeah, we just finished the tour. So the rum tasting was the final part. So we got all this bottle of rum, but I probably showed you all already. So we walk into the restaurant now. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this is probably one of the prettiest walls I've ever seen in my life. Like the way it's textured and everything. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for the song in the background, but this wall right here is gorgeous. I'm gonna give you a real camera view, I swear. So we just finished the tour, and look, you see I'm looking like very cakey right now. I'm sweaty, but anyway, it was nice. It was like 2 hours long, We saw how they crush the sugar cane, basically how it get fermented, how 6% rum turn into 90 something or whatever. But anyway, they gave us like a free bottle of this. This is the signature blend. So yeah, we finna go home now, and yeah, I'm tired though. I'm very tired, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.